You're about to witness one of the most thrilling matches in cricket history, West Indies versus New Zealand. It's a game that had everyone on the edge of their seats, and we're breaking it down for you. The West Indies, known for their explosive batting, were up against a fierce New Zealand side that wouldn't back down. The stage was set, the crowd was cheering, and the players were ready to give it their all. You're probably thinking, what made this match so special? Well, let's dive in. The West Indies won the toss and chose to bat first. They started strong, with their openers playing some impressive shots. But New Zealand's bowlers weren't having it. They fought back hard, taking wickets and putting the pressure on. You're wondering how the West Indies responded, right? They brought in their power hitter, and he didn't disappoint. He smashed the ball all over the field, getting the crowd on their feet. But just when it seemed like the West Indies were getting ahead, New Zealand's fielding came into play. They made some incredible catches, turning the game around once again. You're on the edge of your seat, aren't you? The West Indies were determined to set a high target, but New Zealand's bowlers had other plans. They took the last few wickets quickly, limiting the West Indies' total. Now it was New Zealand's turn to bat. Could they chase down the target? They started off steady, but the West Indies bowlers were fierce. They took wickets, making it tough for New Zealand to catch up. You're thinking, this is it, the West Indies have got this. But wait, New Zealand's got a surprise in store. Their lower-order batsmen started playing some extraordinary shots, bringing the game back into their favor. The crowd was going wild, and you're probably screaming at the screen. The West Indies were on their toes, trying to restrict New Zealand's scoring. But those batsmen just wouldn't give up. They kept pushing, getting closer and closer to the target. You're biting your nails, right? It all came down to the last over. Could New Zealand do it? The tension was palpable, the crowd was erupting, and then, it happened. New Zealand hit the winning runs, and the stadium exploded. What a match! You've just witnessed one of the most epic battles in cricket history. Subscribe for daily sports videos.